Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the chop today. One of the more choppy days we've seen after that morning move. So I wanted to zoom out here real quick and kind of show you something I'm seeing develop here. So this is back in March where we hit our high off the resistance line. We had a huge sell-off, which we put in at the time a new low right here. We had a big bounce with consolidation you see right here, and then we dumped. And this was CPI for June FOMOC. Bottom in 52-week low off the current support line for the bear channel, bounced, kind of consolidated, and then we took off for about 2-month bull run. Look at where we are now. We had the top off the resistance line, we dropped, we put in a new low, and then we're bouncing, and now we're seeing consolidation, and then we could, is what I'm seeing, drop and touch the support line again, which is down here in the 330s. Now, what I'm seeing develop, and this is what I'm looking at and thinking about is how it's going to play out, is pretty much 380 and 370.6 are our pivot levels. We have not broken these in 3 days now. We really could even extend this channel down to 362, but I'm going to hold it at 370 as long as we're maintaining these levels. I have a feeling tomorrow we're going to see some more of this consolidation. And then maybe Monday and Tuesday we'll start making a move either up or down depending on where markets think CPI is going to go. You kind of see last time they thought it was going to be good. We rocketed and then big old dump. I wouldn't be surprised to see 3 days of consolidation where we just kind of chop here. You know, we might get one day where we finish up here and the whole next day we just drop and then we finish up there. So tomorrow we very well could chop down to support and touch 370.6. And really we can come down here into the 360s as long as we close over 370.6. I would say we're going to bounce. We are also in the black, this is the black bear channel. So this keeps us until Friday, Monday, Tuesday, right there. So that's kind of what I'm watching. If CPI comes in bad, kind of like I expect, I think we do see the 330s. So the key supports and key resistance is 380 and 370. I would not, in this moment right now, I would not go long on anything because one, CPI is coming up and markets are going to do some funky things with just because they do that before CPI. And two, we're in this tight range, and until we break that, there's no reason to play it. Looking at futures, same levels here. You got your 38.05 level, and then you got down here at 36.90. Two levels I'd keep a close eye on. Looking at Apple, Apple actually looks more bearish, really. So we have this nice triple top right here at 146.4. We also did soft reject the bear channel right here, the blue bear channel you can see. And we did fall through this recovery line, and our stock is getting to be overbought now. So this should provide some downside. The range I'm watching, which is similar, is 146.5 to 142.4 on Apple. Those are my key levels. I wouldn't make a move either way until I see one of those breaks. I did have some Apple puts that I closed because I will not be here tomorrow, so I didn't really want to not watch a 0 DTE. I do expect some downside. I do believe Apple will be down to the 144s tomorrow, but I didn't want to hold the play without being able to watch it. Looking at Tesla, I'm kind of surprised by Tesla. I was correct in thinking it was going to bounce, and I did close my calls this morning for a nice little profit. I did not expect it to, however, to really dump down. Pretty much put an inside day in here. So key support is 233.5, and key resistance now remains at 245. Once one of these levels breaks, and I don't just mean like a wick, I mean like a close the candle over or under it, I would suspect that is going to predict our next move. We are still in this big falling wedge right here, and you can see how we could even touch 223 tomorrow if things get really bloody. If 233.5 breaks, I would probably jump into some puts. May probably go with next Friday puts, maybe even 0, depending on how big you think the move is going to be, and play that down to 223. That would be a big support bounce. You can see where that level is right here. I would not really hold any puts past 223, as I would expect from here is that it's going to bounce. Looking at the VIX, VIX is in the same kind of consolidation. Its main levels is pretty much just 29.9 and then 33. So really, until we can hold below one of these levels, and really this 28.4 is the big bullish level to break under, we're just kind of chopping, and that's just kind of the way the market's going to move. All right, hope you guys have a good day. I will not be here tomorrow trading, but I'll have a weekly video up, and the next week I'm going to be gone. I posted that in the Discord. All right, you guys have a good night. Thanks for tuning into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. I am providing my Discord link right here. That's a lifetime link. If it doesn't work, go ahead and send me a message and I will get you a new link. I do have a pre-market update I do every day where I update with supports and resistances and different scenarios that might play out through the day. I also do a live commentary throughout the day with updates and changes, and I do push out buy and sell alerts on SPY and other tickers that I'm trading at the time. Currently, membership is $20 per month or $228 per year. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok under SPY Optionaire or Reddit under Daddy Dirch.